AllChinaBuy Jordan 4 Honest Review in 2025. Are these sneakers really worth buying? Let's find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. AllChinaBuy Jordan 4s arrive well packaged, and at first glance they look almost identical to the retail versions. The material feels solid, and the shape holds out really well. The pros: the shoes are affordable, stylish, and comfortable even for daily wear. Many people don't notice a difference from retail unless they inspect it closely. The cons: some pair may show slightly quality issues like uneven stitching or minor paint flaws. Shipping times can also be longer depending on your location. Overall, all China by Jordan 4s are a good choice for budget-conscious buyers, but don't expect 100% perfection. Now, you know the real deal about all China by Jordan 4s in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.